Welcome everyone to our Android application that we did for open source 7312. So we did the background of our application. We decided to do a hide and seek application, and we currently have it running on an emulator. So okay, I've already opened this, but when you open it for the first time, it's gonna ask you if you allow it to access location information, to which you're going to allow, because obviously it's hide and seek. You need to be able to know the location of where you are, where other players are. So the background of our application, we decided to do a hide and seek game where you can play within a perimeter of your choice. So this can be from as little as in the backyard to as wide and as widespread as a whole city, just playing hide and seek. You can obviously choose the game radius that you want. So here we will, so if there's already a game in check, then you would join the game here and enter the lobby code. And if a game online does exist with the lobby code, then you'd go through that to join. So here we'll create a game for testing purposes. So what we'll do here is that you just enter your name, and I'll confirm that. You can add a profile picture if you like, but I won't be doing that. Hiding time, say we've got players have 20 minutes to hide. Ping interval means that how often does the person who's seeking get to see the hider's location. So it pings every so minutes just to see the location for about 10 seconds, 15 seconds. So we'll do a ping interval of 15 minutes. Game length, we can do it for 120 minutes. We're going wide with this. And the radius of the game, you can just slightly zoom in here to choose your game radius. So the profile here is your person, and this is more or less the area, and we will confirm. So once you've gotten to that, then you have the person who's seeking, which is one person, and the hiders. You can just add. They will also be joining the game from the join option, but we cannot do that now as we are using an emulator and have no access to Android phones. Right, so this is the Spedi version, the language feature that we added. This is for the language of Northern Soto, or in other words, Spedi. So as you can see, as you go through it here, this is start game, and this is to join a game. We'll create a game there. This is where you enter your name. So some words will still be English words because the translation of those words are, I mean, you know how it is with languages. They're more or less like, yeah, the languages are, some words don't have any translation, and some just don't do it that well. And yeah, so, this is also just to make it easily understandable. So we'll set here 20 minutes for ping interval every 5 minutes. Game time, we can say 60 minutes. And the radius, we can change the game radius. And let the game begin. So see here it says 1 seek and 1 required. So obviously we can't do that now because of the test, because we're running this on the machine, on the emulator. My apologies. Okay, let's get back to the English version.